Ever need to change the default search engine for Samsung Internet on your phone, whether you prefer Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, or another option? Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to change the default search engine on Samsung Internet. Let's get started. Open the Internet browser app on your Samsung phone. Tap the three-dot menu icon, usually in the bottom right corner. Then tap Settings. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Address Bar Search. Now you'll see a list of available search engines such as Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. Tap on the one you prefer to make it the default. If your desired search engine isn't listed, you can add it manually. To do that, tap Add Search Engine or a similar label, and select your desired search engine. Alright guys, now you know how to change the default search engine for Samsung Internet on your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.